This grand architectural masterpiece is located in one of Baulkham's dress circle locations.
It has its own self-contained 2-bedroom residence and perfect for in-law accommodation, and surely one not to be missed. I'm David Chanusa, proudly representing McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Thomas Choi. Welcome to 17 Paul Court, Baulkham Hills. Let's check it out.
Hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Close your eyes, stay the night.
As you can see, this home has it all.
David and I look forward to seeing it at the next inspection.